Hi, this is Cheryl St.Pierre. This is my very first package opening with Globleland. Now what Globleland specializes with is cutting dies as well as silicone stamps for things like scrapbooking, card making, and other craft projects that you can utilize those items with. And each package comes with just a simple printout of what it is you ordered. It's very basic, but it's got the item code and a really quick reference picture, very tiny, but enough for you to figure out what the code is for. And these are the stamps. It did come in a Ziploc bag, which you could keep it in, and it's then layered between plastic sheets. So for storage purposes, you probably want to try and keep these sheets as well as the bag to put it in, and then punch a hole and put it in a binder. That's what I intend to do, and keep it together as a set, because if you break up the set, I'm speaking from experience here, you'll never get the set back together and it'll end up being a mess. So it's very important to be able to take good care of your merchandise once you get them, because if you're investing money in it, you betcha you want to take good care of it. Okay, so this is called the Lily Flower Clear Stamp Silicone Stamp Card. It's got a long title. So the printout of what it calls it will be in the description, as well as a link directly to these stamps. And then I also, in this order, got some acrylic blocks. Now this was super bubble wrapped together. I had to take a scissor to it to get it open, but I'm going to take out the smallest one just to show you. It's a little bit on the opaque side, and it has the grid on it, which is, I feel, very important for placing your stamps correctly in position. So this set that I got has 4 sizes, and I think this is all I would need in order to use all the stamps. If I need something bigger, I will show you what to do in the future, but I'm thinking this is all you need, is this basic set. And let's just put that there. And then I bought 2 cutting die sets. And now this first one is a 4-piece metal animal cutting die lace set. And this first one is some bees, and then we have some butterflies, and we have kind of like underwater world, where it's got underwater creatures. And then I think these are doves, because it kind of looks like doves, but it could be, you know, you could portray them as any type of bird that you choose, of course. And then I have another, I can't wait to use these. They're so pretty. These kind of corner lace dies. Isn't that pretty? So, and my goal with working with with Globleland is to, I'm going to start off simply so you can be a beginner with me, and it's going to use basically just the items that I receive from Globleland, so that you can make anything that I am making in my videos, because I will have the links there for you. So I'm only going to use Globleland's product, but since this is the only products they sell, as far as stamps go, I mean inks, and as well as other types of tools that you will need for the trade, I'm going to make a separate little video showing you what I used and where I got it from to make it so that you can do it too. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to try and keep it inexpensive, and it will build and grow as we get more items. Well, I want to thank you for joining me in this video, and I want you to keep checking in for when those tutorials are done for this product. I will have the links to them in the description as I make them. So I'm guessing within a week the first one will pop up for you. So God bless, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.